And we're back to learning CapCut in here, day 66. Let me show you how I can remove single colored backgrounds. So we have a single light brownish color here, and you can go to video, remove BG, and I've shown you the chroma key in the last videos. Just use the color picker here, activate it with the left click if it isn't activated, and then sample the background color with the left click. But you can see we run into a problem. Because at around 9 the background is gone, but as the color of the skin is very similar, it's going to filter out some of the color as well. You can try to play around with the shadows, the feather edge, and even pro feature here, the cleanup edge, but we cannot really get it going. There's always some parts here of the arm and hand that's going to get covered. And these are the limits of the chroma key. You cannot use that tool to get around it. To get a cutout for such videos, you need the auto removal. And it is a pro feature. If you're a total beginner, I wouldn't recommend that you directly buy the pro feature. CapCut is definitely not as expensive as, for example, Adobe products. But for some effects, you simply need the pro features. As you can see here, the chroma key hits its limit, and then you simply have to bite the bullet and get yourself CapCut Pro. But try out the chroma key as far as it can take you. For some videos, it still works, depending on the contrast, depending on the background color. But in this case, you've seen the limit. And once you've got your cutout, you can go to the canvas again that I've already shown you in an earlier video, and here change the background color. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.